I'm Stephen Sanders, and this is your Daily Energy Report. U.S. offers wind power leases on 3 Atlantic states. The Obama administration will offer leases next year for wind energy projects off the coast of Virginia, Massachusetts, and Rhode Island. The Interior Department has set aside 277,550 acres divided into 2 wind energy areas on the outer continental shelf. The 2 areas are estimated to generate 4,000 megawatts of wind power, enough to provide energy to 1.4 million homes. The auctions will be the first competitive sales for wind energy on the outer continental shelf, where no projects are in operation. Fulcrum Bioenergy secures $175 million in financial commitments for turning waste into renewable fuels. Pleasanton, California, Fulcrum Bioenergy Incorporated, an emerging leader in developing renewable fuel, announced it has successfully secured commitments totaling to $175 million to fund the construction of its first municipal solid waste to low-carbon fuels plant, the Sierra Biofuels Plant. Fulcrum recently made enhancements to the design of Sierra and its proprietary MSW to ethanol process, which should lead to dramatic cost reduction in producing renewable fuel. Fulcrum is on track to become one of the first companies to commercially produce renewable fuel for municipal solid waste. Falls Church, Virginia launches challenge to be the first green power community in the state. Falls Church, Virginia has joined the Environmental Protection Agency's Green Power Partnership and approved a year-long and citywide challenge to become Virginia's first green power community. To get the GPC designation, the city must acquire at least 3% of its electricity from renewable sources. The city currently uses roughly 494,000 kilowatts of green power and would need to procure 4.3 million kilowatts to become eligible for GPC status. AFPM urges EPA to consider warning on E15 gasoline. A new survey from the American Automobile Association provides another confirmation that the Environmental Protection Agency's hasty approval of E15 gasoline can damage existing automobiles, small engines, as well as gasoline refueling infrastructures. Evidence showing that 95% of customers surveyed had not yet heard of E15 gasoline, thereby raising the likelihood of misuse, coupled with the fact that almost all auto manufacturers have warned that warranties will be voided upon the use of such gasoline. Perhaps now EPA will be forced to use real science rather than political science, as it will be difficult to dismiss the AAA, who conduct the study and represents the interest of 53 million customers. Viridian Energy expands renewable energy offers to Washington, D.C. and Delaware. Viridian Energy, an energy company that offers high-quality and affordable green energy, has announced that it will expand its renewable energy product offerings to customers in Washington, D.C. and Delaware. The company currently offers 2 green products, Everyday Green, which provides power that exceeds local renewable energy standards by 20%, and Pure Green, which provides 100% green power. Both plans are now available to Potomac Energy Power Company customers in D.C. and Delmarva Energy customers in Delaware. For more on energy news and analysis, visit dailyenergyreport.com.